Students, today we will start with the first chapter of class 11 physical education, that is changing trends and career in physical education. Our first topic in changing trends and career in physical education is definition of physical education. Second topic is aims of physical education. In that, another topic is objective of physical education. Then third topic is career option in physical education. Then various physical education courses in India. Soft skill required for career in physical education. Fourth one is sports tournament. Fifth one is Khelo India program. First topic we have to start is definition of physical education. What is the meaning of physical education? Physical education is an integral part of total education process. It is composed of two words. First one is physical, which means body, and other one is education, which means modification of behavior through physical activities. Its aim and overall development of human being through participation in various games and sports activities. Modern physical education was started in 18th century in Germany. Then next topic is definition of physical education. Physical education is the education through physical activities for the development of the total personality of the child to its fullness and perfection in body, mind, and soul. Physical education is that phase of education which deals with big muscle activities and their related responses. These are the two definitions. Next comes aims and objectives. What is the aim? The aim of physical education. First point, to make every child physically, mentally and emotionally fit. Then, to develop such personal and social qualities in him such which will help him to live happily with others and build him up as a good citizen. Next topic is our objective of physical education. Objectives of physical education. Objective of physical education, we have 6 objectives of physical education. First one is physical development. Second one is mental development. Third one is emotional development. Fourth one is social development. Then neuromuscular coordination and development of health. Let's see the first one, that is development of physical development is foremost objective of and related with physical development. Development of organ systems such as circulatory system, nervous system, muscular system, digestive system, etc. During physical activities, the body demands more and more from various systems and organs, which turn have to function optimally to cope up with the stress of activity. Second point is mental development. In mental development, first point is physical activities required, alertness of mind, deep concentration, and calculated movements. Second point, it includes rules and regulations, techniques of games, anatomical and physiological studies, health and diseases. Third point, participation teaches to draw conclusion, to face new situations, and to take decision independently. Then comes third point is social development. It is also very important development of the body. Physical education. Physical education provides ample opportunity to its participants to interact with other individual and groups. Second point, this gives wholesome experience to learn social norms. Third point, individual develops social qualities and social habits. Then comes third one, value of competition and cooperation are also calculated. Next point is, that is fourth point, neuromuscular coordination. This is concerned with better coordination between nervous system and muscular system. Then only the activities can be done in a better way. Second point, good neuromuscular coordination helps to keep off fatigue during vigorous activities. That means strenuous activities. Third point, improves working with various equipment and tools. Fourth point, also known as psychomotor development or coordination development. Fifth point is emotional development. First point, physical educations aim at emotional stability, which helps in facing any type of situations. Second point, competitions are an indispensable part and characterized by success or failure. Third point, physical education teaches to accept success and failure gracefully, which are also helpful throughout the lifetime. Development of health. First point, health knowledge is a part and parcel of physical education program. In school health education program, it includes not only principles and important rules of health education but also information regarding healthy living and community health. Third point, it also speaks of health hazards in society like alcohol, smoking, drugs addiction, etc. Last point, this knowledge builds a healthy and positive lifestyle in the society.